Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amzolin K, and I'm bringing you another video today. And this is my spring and Easter home decor. And today I am just starting off by decorating right away, because as you can see, I've already cleared up and cleaned up everything. So right there I'm just setting up this the sofa, throws and all that. Alright, I'm done with the sofa. I'm now moving on to the coffee table. And guys, if you want to know where I got all the decor items and their prices, I'll link the video right up here, and then go check it out after this one. Then you can find everything in that video, and I'll also leave it on the end screen in this video. And now my favorite part, putting on all those tiny little details.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back.
And now moving on to my kitchen, I'm just gonna keep it simple but cute.
You just come running back.
Something to buy, da ba da ba, yeah. Da ba da ba ba buy, da ba buy, da ba buy, da ba ba, yeah. Set the ba da da ba da da. Boy, yeah, da ba ya ba ya. Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feeling when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro.